Hi, I'm Tris, and this series of videos is for transgender women who are looking to improve the femininity of their voice. There are three main gender signifiers in voice. The first is pitch, which is the most obvious and the most frequently cited. The second is called timbre, and it is the most important. The third is called inflection or prosody, and it's also pretty important, but not as important as timbre. This first video is going to be about pitch and why it's not as important as you think. Now, the first thing that someone thinks about when they think about the difference between a male voice and a female voice is pitch. Women tend, on average, to speak about an octave higher than men. This is true. But there are men with high-pitched voices and women with low-pitched voices, and you can still tell the difference. For reference, this is the voice that I started with. Pretty average male voice, you know. I often spoke a lot lower than that, sometimes a little higher, sometimes a little higher still, and I can talk way lower and still sound feminine. In fact, some of the most incredible feminine voices I can think of are actually very low-pitched. Here are some examples.
You know how to whistle, don't you, Steve? You just put your lips together and blow.
I'm a married woman.
Meaning what?
Meaning I'm not looking for company.
You should have said I'm a happily married woman.
That's my business.
What?
How happy I am.
And how happy is that?
You're not too smart, are you?
Too little short for a stormtrooper.
I don't know where you get your delusions, laser brain.
Now, one octave difference is about double the frequency. It's not particularly hard to achieve that. For example, this is the third C. This is the fourth C. Ooh, ooh. Double the frequency isn't actually a huge difference, and so achieving that isn't as hard as it feels. Being able to comfortably speak at a higher pitch absolutely does help in achieving a natural feminine voice, but it should never be the top priority. The difference between two voices of opposite gender in the same pitch is called timbre. It's the same as the difference between a piano and a guitar playing the same note. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe because there is more to come. The next video I'm going to make is about how to achieve a feminine timbre at almost any pitch. Don't forget to hit the notification bell.